might struggle with the idea of me either being an artist or a business owner. Whom I was kidding. I'm an artist, and I'm calling artists of different art disciplines and culture to join me. What happens in a residency is you'll get to share a house with talented artists where you can share, learn, and create, and maybe work on your personal projects. Daytime can be spent by going out for hikes, for waterfalls, and discovering trails, and collecting raw material according to your interest. You can explore the village, visit the local farms, and learn about the animals and vegetations. Or you can spend day inside doing your art and create artwork. To understand more about sustainable food habits, going for picnics to understand the local ecology and biodiversity. Seasonal activities such as apple picking and herb collecting, foraging as well. Residencies are best for self-taught artists as well as traditional artists. Yes, it is good for you. Whether you are an artist or you are a curious soul, it's always good to travel and learn new art and understand new cultures. It is a good place where you can push your boundaries. Here you are given yourself a chance to create your own personal projects and simultaneously learn from incredible minds. We offer workshops such as pebble jewellery, miniaturescape, botanical illustrations. Baking is one of the integral part of this residency. Imagine being immersed in environment like this where you are sharing a house with talented mind and learning every day different art styles, different art practices, and different disciplines altogether. The idea of traveling to a destination where you can unplug and rewire is alluring.